Thank you to anyone watching today. I have with me Jason Stambaugh from DTS Connex and Martin Peterson from Cashmaster. And we're joining you virtually today to talk about a new integration and partnership between DTS Connex and Cashmaster that will improve cash management processes for businesses across North America. To get us started, it would be great to get an understanding of what the reasoning was behind the partnership. Martin, how did this collaboration come about?
Thanks, Craig. Cashmaster wanted to be able to provide our customers with a complete cash management solution. Our devices and the DTS Connex service have wonderful synergies, and we believe the benefit of a combined solution like this will be highly attractive to businesses who accept cash. Partnership between our companies lets us work closely together, bringing our solutions to a wider range of users who share an interest in driving efficiency in the cash management procedures.
And on the DTS Connex side, we have thousands of retail locations around the country using our suite of online cash management tools. And one of our commitments to our user community is to continuously increase the number of connections we have between them and their partners. In some cases, those are banks and couriers and systems. And within the context of the partnership with Cashmaster, it's devices. And so every time we add a new connection to the platform, it increases the opportunity that our mutual customers have for efficiency, more control over these processes, and just having more flexibility. And so this is we're really excited about this partnership and what the future holds for our mutual customers.
And I'm excited as well. Could you guys explain in more detail some of the benefits the combined solution could offer to businesses that accept cash?
Sure. The solution we're able to provide together not only creates a more efficient and cost-effective cash handling process, but also gives businesses better control and visibility. Helps them track the cash as it flows through the store from when it's received to the point of sale, right the way through to cash and transit collection, and then when it's finally received at the bank.
Yeah, Martin, I think it's a great overview, I think, of kind of how the combined solution works, but to get kind of a bit in the weeds as to specifically where does this connection really matter? It's really at that deposit creation level. So in our web platform, customers without this type of integration will be manually keying in their notes and coins for a deposit. And with this integration, those notes and coin amounts are automatically fed behind the scenes, reducing the need for the associate to rekey, saving them valuable time. And then downstream, as is with any manual or inputted process, there are some number of transposition or various other errors with that keying entry that lead to needless adjustments and other issues downstream. And so this integration automates that process, again, kind of improving the overall integrity of that deposit data that's originally entered to manifest the actual deposit.
We all know companies like solutions that integrate. Martin, why don't you provide us with an overview on how the solution will work?
Sure. The Cashmaster One range of compact, portable counting devices, and they can be used anywhere around the store to count cash, both with speed and accuracy. It's a weight-based counting system, and it can count everything from loose coins and bills, as well as coin rolls and strapped bills. We program the powerful software in the machine so that it can implement standardized cash handling procedures that will optimize the way the store works and drive best practices in your loss prevention. Once a count is completed, you can print the full detail with our integrated printer, and then you can also transfer it straight into the point of sale system. The integration with DTS Connex comes into play when you're preparing your bank deposit. After the deposit count is complete, our device integrates seamlessly and sends the data to the DTS cloud management platform, which is used in conjunction with the counter to control and track cash within your business. Jason, you can explain what happens next.
Yeah, so once that deposit advice is generated, a customer can track a deposit throughout its life cycle from that preparation clear through the process to bank verification. And to get a bit more in the weeds, once that count is sent, the user at their internet connected device enters in a few other additional pieces of information and will ultimately print a DTS Connex deposit advice on regular 8.5 by 11 paper using black and white ink. That gets printed and included in the deposit bag along with the notes and coin. From there, the deposit is ready to be picked up. And from a customer perspective, you can see all the deposits have been created, but you can also see when those deposits are being picked up by the armored or non-armored courier. From there, Through that DTS Connex deposit device, we receive information back from customers' bank partners letting them know that deposits have been received, credited, and verified. And in the event of a deposit adjustment, that information flows back as well, really completing, and enabling a customer to follow the life cycle of that deposit from, end to end preparation through to bank verification.
And with all the other retail technologies available, Jason, tell us why companies are investing in this solution, especially with the perception that cash may be on the decline.
I actually think that perception is one of the reasons why people are investing in a variety of solutions to become more efficient and to reduce their costs associated with cash. It's an important form of payment. It is not going away. It is still a primary form of payment for a large segment of the US population. And so retailers and any business that accepts cash needs to have the most efficient in terms of time and the most efficient in terms of costs to process that cash and to get that cash from their store and into the bank. And so I actually think that as, again, whether it's perception or reality for various businesses, the smaller percentage of tender, I think it makes these innovations even more valuable because it's all the more important that you want your employees spending time on other high value added functions, not counting cash. And so as an example, so I think that very fact is driving some of the innovation and the needs that customers have for solutions like we're talking about here today.
I completely agree, Jason, especially with the introduction of the Payment Choice Act that's currently working its way through government to help ensure cash remains an accepted form of payment across the US. Whether your business accepts a small or a large volume, ensuring you've got an efficient, consistent, and cost-effective solution in place, it always makes sound business sense. Cashmaster solutions are highly affordable compared to some of the other cash management technology that's on the market, and they're also scalable from low all the way up to high volume cash counting. And we believe they truly offer the greatest value compared to some of the other solutions that are out there.
Thank you both very much for giving us the lowdown on this exciting new partnership and integration. The DTS Connex and Cashmaster solutions are available across North America, and we would love to speak with you about how it can benefit your company. To find out more, get in touch with our teams via the contact details showing.